In this video we are going to show you how to remove the radio CD player with the touch panel from Acura MDX 2016, which is similar to some other years. The tools that you need is this 8mm socket plus this blue dashboard removal tool and the Phillips screwdriver. We already made everything loose, by the way. This is just for the demo only. The first thing you do, you pop out the air conditioning vent and the AC panel to control. It does not have any screws, it's just holding it by the clips. There has only one plug which you need to disconnect. And these are the location of the clips which is holding the front panel. So when you insert your tool, this is where you need to apply the pressure to remove the panel. The next step, you remove the 4 Phillips screws around the monitor, 2 on the passenger side and 2 on the driver's side. And the tricky part is it has 2 vertical 8mm bolt underneath the radio, which is for the mounting bracket. This is where the location is. One on the passenger side and one on the driver's side. You don't need to remove completely the bolt, you just have to loosen it enough so the whole monitor with the CD player just pop right out. I'll show you in a second once I get it out. And as you can see, these are the 2 mounting, and you can see it just needs to be loose a little bit so it would come out. And this is the bracket which is holding it right there, and the one on this side. And that's it. And if you need any repair for this unit, radio, touch panel, or the CD player, or navigation, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085.